Tired of your phone constantly ringing because of calls from unknown numbers? iPhone has a feature called Silence Unknown Callers that automatically silences calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts, recent calls list, or Siri suggestions. The calls won't ring, but you'll still be able to see who tried to reach you in your missed calls list. In this video, I'll show you how to enable this option and avoid unwanted calls. So, to start, find and open the Settings app from your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll down and look for the Phone app. Once you find it, tap on it. This will open the Settings page for phone calls. Here, you'll see a bunch of different options. Scroll down a bit, find the option called Silence Unknown Callers and tap on it. Finally, tap the switch to enable the feature. Once it's turned on, unknown numbers will no longer bother you. The calls will be silenced and shown as missed. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.